In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your PlayStation Network profile picture here on your PS5. Before we dive into the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. But from your PS5 home menu, go ahead and navigate up to the profile icon up in the top right corner, select it, and then select profile just like so. From here, in this right hand section, you're going to see an option for editing your profile. Go ahead and select it and then scroll down a little bit and there's going to be a profile picture option. Select that. And from here you do have two choices. You have use an avatar, which is going to allow you to pick from a variety of preset avatars featuring characters from like different PlayStation games, and you can also upload your own. To do this, you are going to need the PlayStation app on your mobile device, but in my case, I'm just going to go ahead and choose an avatar. From here, hit OK. From here, back out and go to the avatar settings, and then go ahead and scroll all the way down, and you could choose any of these options. Some of these are really cool, and you unlock more if you do get more games as well, sometimes as special 100% completion trophies. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.